Formaloo forms have built-in events you can easily track. When the form is detected but not yet fully loaded. When the form's data is successfully loaded. If the form fails to load. When the form is submitted. When the form is successfully submitted. When the form submission fails. Whether your form is hosted on a subdomain, custom domain, or embedded on another website, this guide will provide easy-to-follow steps to integrate Google Analytics with your Formaloo forms. Let's begin. Go to Google Tag Manager, and if you don't have an account, create one. If your form is embedded into another page via script tag, follow these instructions. This is what your workspace will look like. Your GMT code is presented at the top right. Now go to your Formaloo workspace and open the form for which you'd like to track events. Once you open the editor, go to Settings and find the JS Code box. Here we'll put the JS code given in the Formaloo tutorial, linked at the top right part of the video. Make sure to put your GMT code in 2 places of the code and make sure to paste the entire code, including GMT, like in the example. Once you place the code, you'll need to set up a tag. Click on Tag and create a new tag. Choose Google Tag and place your GMT code. You can even name your tag. When clicking on Save, select All Pages Trigger. Now it's time to preview how your tag works. Place your form's URL here. If you have installed the GMT Chrome add-on, you'll see this pop up, saying the Tag Assistant is connected to the form. The next step is to stop debugging. This prevents cluttered analytics data, ensures accurate reporting, and optimizes performance after verifying your setup. Now that the form is connected, it's time to set the custom event. In Formaloo's step-by-step tutorial, you'll have instructions on how to insert a code, even if you don't know coding. For this example, we'll use the event when the form is successfully submitted, for which we already have a code. Just copy and paste right after the first code. Yes, you might need to publish changes on your GMT's workspace for it to work properly. And that's it.